materials you will need are red, orange, yellow and black acrylic paint, a palette or paper plate, a water pot, a big flat brush, a small round brush, and a fan brush or small flat brush. First, we take our big brush and add a thick layer of red paint at the top. Make sure you use a lot of paint, otherwise it won't blend. Clean your brush and then take some orange paint. Slightly overlap your brush with the border of the red section to blend it. Continue to paint the orange section. Then take some yellow paint and again slightly overlap your brush with the border of the orange section to blend it. Then continue to the end of the paper. When it has dried, take some dilute acrylic paint on your small round brush and draw the stem and give the impression of palm leaves. It should then look like this. Then take a flat brush or a fan brush and paint on some more detailed leaves, like this. This just makes the plants look more realistic.